A good whiskey aioli will make any burger better, and this is a great whiskey aioli. Let's get started. Let's start with a 1/4 cup of whiskey here into the saucepan. We're going to cook this over a medium heat until it comes to a sizzle like that, and try to reduce it down till we get about a tablespoon. It's about a 4-to-1 reduction. It goes very, very quickly, so be careful. Do not walk away. Add that to a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise here. I'm being very precise with my measurements, obviously. Put our super concentrated whiskey in, and now we're going to add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a couple grinds of black pepper, and we're going to put about a teaspoon of garlic powder in here as well. If you wanted to make this a little bit different and mix it up a little bit, you can add a few drops of lemon or some lime juice in that. Makes it a little bit more tart and delicious. But as it is, it's a nice, sweet, wonderful sauce. And really easy to make. So you put that on your burger, and you have the most amazing dinner or lunch or breakfast. Hey, no judgments here. Just enjoy your burger. Thanks for watching. Bye.